friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been quite some time since I've been on camera. Today I'd like to take an opportunity to invite you to participate in my Make Something New challenge. I've hosted this challenge once in the past and I've decided to expand it for each season of the year. Before we get started with the particulars of the challenge, I'd like to invite you also, if you're brand new to my channel, to click that subscribe button down below and make sure you share this invite video if you know of anyone who may be interested in participating in a crafty DIY challenge. If you like the idea of this challenge or DIY challenges like this, make sure you leave a thumbs up down below. If you have any questions about this challenge, make sure you leave them down in the comment section below as well. I'll be creating a hashtag for this challenge that will be listed in the description box. There will also be a playlist created for all of the participants. The upload date for this challenge is July 15th by 10 a.m. The budget for the challenge is $10. For this challenge, you can use craft items from any dollar store, thrift store, or anything that you may have on hand from previous craft projects. Again, your limit for this challenge is $10. Make sure that you don't go over that, including all of your supplies, except for glue sticks and little incidental things. If you have any questions, again, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. Again, the upload date is July 15th at 10 a.m. It's Make Something New for summer. Make something that you can use during the summer season, around your home, in your home, or outside of your space. Thank you so much for watching, and again, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Take care.